In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort your email list. Email sorting simply stands for arranging your email in a systematic format or separating the MS or domain into different sections, okay? If this is your first time on my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe and enable the notification bell for subsequent videos. For effectiveness of this software, you need to get a registered version, okay, which you can get in the description below this video. Here is the interface. At the top, you find out that this software is a registered version. And on the menu list, we have the open email file. We have the edit tag, delete email, export emails, options, and so on, okay? But what we are going to be doing here is to click on the open file to go to where we have our emails, okay? Okay, so these are emails. Okay, so once you click on the email list, it will be uploading to your software, okay? You can see the total on this list is 26,177 on this list, okay? So we just wait while it upload, okay? And if you need leads from any country to market your product or services, you can contact us via our WhatsApp. It's in the description below this video. And if you want to know how to script emails, we have a download link for the software, okay? And if you want to know how to send bulk emails, we also have a link of the video and how you can also download the software to send your bulk email. All right, once the sorting section is completed, all you need to do here is just to click on the export or to test file, okay? Let's quickly export it first, then I will show you more details. Let me export to my desktop. Email. Okay, let me put it in my exported image sorted. So now I've just exported all the emails. Let's open Gmail to check what we have in our Gmail list. So we only have Gmail inside this particular text file, okay? So that is how you separate your Gmail, Hotmail, and other emails that were in your list, okay? So anyone you don't need here, you just let go of it, or if you still want to keep them, you can keep them. But for me, the only thing I need here is the Hotmail. Need just the Hotmail, Gmail, and maybe Yahoo Mail, okay? So this is how you actually sort your email list before you can go ahead to validate them, okay? If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to hit on the like button, drop a comment in the comment section below for any question, suggestion, or request. I will make sure I answer all your questions. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.